All right, so you kept telling yourself that you were going to study tomorrow, and now the ACT is tomorrow. What are we going to do? The science section. This is the fourth and final section of the test, and we're going to have another 35 minutes to answer 40 questions here, just like the reading passage. The difference between the science section and the reading section, though, is that the science section will have about 6 or 7 passages to it, so we're going to have even shorter passages here, so less time to spend on each passage itself. Now, this is another section of the test where people complain constantly about not having enough time to answer all the questions. So the way that we solve for that is we actually don't read any of the passages at all for the science test. Instead, we just go straight to the questions and read what they're asking. Basically, all the questions here on the science test will be asking about a data table or a graph or some sort of figure. So we're going to read the question, see which figure it's asking about, which it will always tell us. It will say like, as the results of experiment 1 show, or as the results in data table 2 tell us, and then it will ask the question. All we do is we look at whichever graph or figure they're pointing us to, and we look for exactly the piece of information that they're asking us to find. And the trick here is always to pay specific attention to what the graph is measuring. Always look at the X and the Y axis to see what the graph is measuring, and then look at any other keys or information that the graph tells us.